Well, hey guys, and welcome. And then you guys can see in the background there, we got Star Wars Galactic Outpost, guys. So we're gonna walk on in here today and give you guys a once-over of this shop right here. We actually haven't been in this one in a while, and I wanted to get over here and refresh it because I got a lot of people asking us to get over here, guys. So this is actually a cool little shop. It's over here in Disney Springs. Not on the side of the Earl of Sandwich or the Rainforest Cafe, but it's over on the west side. So over across from the House of Blues. But when you guys walk in, they've got a lot of assortment of the Star Wars stuff going on in here, guys. You can see the writing up in the ceiling. You can see all the decor around the outsides. And over here, as you guys see, they've got the actual lightsabers over here. And if you guys stay posted, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget we've got the Star Wars hat that we're looking to give away, guys. We're trying to get up to the 5,000 subscribers, which is really going to help us. But right after we give that hat away, guys, we're going to be giving away at least one of these lightsabers over here. And this is the only shop you're going to see them in outside of like Hollywood Studios and inside the theme park. So this will be the only spot you guys are going to come over and see this. Now they used to have it in both stores, but now it's only over here. But you can see in this shop, nevertheless, they've got all kinds of Star Wars gear over here, guys. They've got the baby Yodas, they've got the shirts, they've got the little necklaces and stuff like that that light up. They've got shirts all over the place with all kinds of different sayings on them. And it's actually a fun little store to walk through. You've got the Stormtrooper stuff all around the outsides. Some of the costumes them guys wore. You've got the decals to go on your cars. There's a look in the back. These actually are some of the cheaper lightsabers, but they do have in the corner you go in, you guys can fit it up with anything you want. Some of them are pretty pricey, guys. There's some of the shirts. There's some of the backpacks and stuff like that, but they've got so much stuff over here. Now, I do like this shop better than the one over on the Rainforest side because it's just more to choose from. It's a more compact store, but there's a lot here to choose from, guys. So if you get a chance, get over here right across from the House of Blues. It's a little ways down, but it's over here, right next to the Golden Lanes over here. And that's Splitsville, so if you guys aren't familiar with the bowling alley. But this is the Star Wars little shop over here. And you guys can see they've got some of the backpacks right there. And I'm going to actually head over in the corner now. I want to take and show you guys these more stuff over here with the lightsabers. You got the masks on the wall right there. A lot of people buy, but look at all the lightsabers you guys can choose from right there. So these are kind of cool. And you got this guy holding one right here. Now these are the ready-made ones. So these are a little bit cheaper to buy. If you guys go and get custom ones, they are going to cost you more. But you get the ready-made ones, and you can see some of them are actually pretty cheap in there. Now they did run a deal recently where it was almost buy one get one, and this is what we're going to try to get. Hopefully when we get that hat going, guys, we can get 2 of these and give them out, and hopefully that'll get us up to our 10,000 subscribers. And just remember, the higher our numbers go with our subscribers and stuff, guys, and the better we do, the more we want to give away to you guys. So keep posted on that. Thanks for watching, guys, and we're going to head on out. And this is the Star Wars shop over near the House of Blues over near Cirque du Soleil, guys. We'll see you guys real soon on the next one.